Recently, I was able to leave my 9-to-5 job and pursue my online business full-time as an entrepreneur. And the reason why I was able to do that is because of something called passive income. In this video, we're gonna talk about 7 passive income ideas that are highly effective that you can get started on right away and that can help you meet your financial goals, if it's to leave your job or if it's just to make an extra $500, $1,000 a month on the side. Whatever it is for you, these ideas are an awesome place to get started. And this video is actually part of a longer playlist that I'm doing on passive income. If you've missed the first 2 videos, you can find them right here. We talk about what passive income is and what it's not, and we talk about the benefits of passive income and why you should pursue it. Those are great foundational videos to get you prepared for this one. My name's Lane. I am an entrepreneur, I'm an author, I'm a business owner, and I love to help people create businesses and make money around things that they are passionate about, and particularly online businesses. And so if that's something you're interested in, be sure to subscribe to this channel, give this video a like, and let's go ahead and get started. Passive income idea number 1, affiliate marketing. All affiliate marketing is just recommending other people's products or services and getting paid to do it. It can happen in a lot of different ways. The absolute simplest way to get started is through Amazon. Amazon has an affiliate marketing program called the Amazon Associates Program. I did a video on it right here that you can check out where I go in detail about how to do it. But the way it works on Amazon is, let's say that you have a product that you really like. Like, take for example these earbuds. These are the Raycon E350 earbuds that I use every single day of the week. I could stick a link in the description. In fact, I will. There will be a link in the description where if you click on that link, it'll take you to Amazon and you'll see the sales page for these headphones. If you click on it and you buy them, whatever you pay for them, I'll get a percentage of that sale. 1%, 3%, 5%, something like that. The cool thing with Amazon is if you click on my link and you go on to buy other things, I get a commission for the entire cart, which is pretty cool, up to 24 hours later. There's other ways to do affiliate marketing, including recommending products and services that you use in your business. For example, I am an affiliate for Kajabi. It's my favorite all-in-one online business platform. Anytime somebody uses my link, they get a free 28-day trial instead of the 14-day trial that Kajabi gives them. If they go on to keep the service, I get a portion of their sale. It doesn't cost them any extra and it benefits me. That's how affiliate marketing works. Now, I'm gonna do a separate video on each one of these ideas and go a lot more in depth. So if you're interested in affiliate marketing, it'll be later in the playlist. The second way to get started with passive income is start a YouTube channel. Now you might be saying, that's not that passive. If you've ever done this, you know that this is a lot of work. Me looking at the camera talking to you is not the easiest thing in the world. I had to plan this out. I had to set up my lights and my cameras. I had to get ready to do this. But I'm doing this one video, and this one video could result later in all kinds of different ways that I could earn money. Eventually, this channel will be eligible for the YouTube Partner Program, where I'll be able to put ads on my videos. That's pretty cool. But even before then, just the fact that I'm building an audience that I can offer products to, I can build courses for, I can point you to affiliate products. Starting a YouTube channel is one of the ways that I can earn passive income. So maybe for you, if you've got something that you like to talk about, that you'd like to share about, that people come to you for advice, then consider starting a YouTube channel. Number 3, and a lot of people may not know that this is even a thing, but print on demand merchandise. Here's what I'm talking about. If you Google services like Merch by Amazon or Sebring, what you're gonna find is that there are companies that will allow you to design t-shirts and coffee mugs and different things that you can offer for sale with your designs on them, but you don't have to actually hold any inventory. So you can set up a store, you can put those things for sale, you can share them with your audience, share them with your list, share them with the people that follow you on social media, and if they go buy them, the company prints it, makes the t-shirt or makes the mug, and they send it to whoever bought it. You get a cut of that sale and you didn't have to do anything to make it happen. That's an incredible passive income idea. My wife and I actually did Merch by Amazon for quite a while. We designed some t-shirts and we made a little bit of money off of it. I lost interest in that after a while, but I might revisit the idea, especially if one of my YouTube channels really takes off and I want to get into doing merch. Number 4, write a book. On this channel, one of the main things I talk about is self-publishing. I love self-publishing. I love what it does for you. I love how it can broaden your reach. It can increase your authority. It does all kinds of amazing things, but none less than it can make you money. I've written 2 books. The first one was a #1 bestseller in its category on Amazon, and that book has continued to sell every single month the entire time it's been out. The other one was a #1 new release in its category, and it's continued to sell every single month the whole time it's been out. And those 2 books together earn me several $100s a month every single month. And I have them in 3 formats: audio, paperback, and digital, like ebook. And all those different formats sell every single month. It's an incredible passive income tool. So as I said, in this playlist, I'm gonna make a video about each one of these. And in my video about books, I'll lay it out for you in terms of how to make a book strategy that is income generating. The next passive income idea that I'm gonna share with you is not only my favorite of all of them, but it's the one that has earned me the most money. Before I tell you about it, I wanna offer you something that's gonna help make all of this simpler, and that's my super simple guide to your first $500 online. It's totally free. It's a PDF guide that will walk you through the exact steps required to create your online business. I know when I got started, I was so eager for information on how to earn money online that I Googled everything. I searched on YouTube for anything, and anytime somebody told me to try anything, I would basically just go do it. And I was frustrated most of the time because there's a lot of bad information around how to make money online. So this guide is the proven path. It is the simple proven path. I want you to avoid some of that frustration that I felt so that you'll know exactly step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, how to get from where you are to earning your first $500 online. Because I think if you can do that, then there's no limit to what else you can do. If you can earn 500, you can earn 50,000. It's just the way that it works. So go to lanesebring.com/super simple or click on the link right here. Number 5, and this is my absolute favorite way to generate passive income online, and that is create an online course. You probably know what an online course is. You may have bought them in the past. You may have been offered to buy an online course. Essentially, what an online course is when you go in depth on a specific topic and you provide people with really helpful information, but not just information, you're providing an end-to-end solution. You're saying, here's something you want to learn how to do, and here's all the steps that you need, and I'm gonna package it for you and sell it to you. I'm a course creator. I have a course called Killer Sermons Academy over at my Preaching Donkey brand. And the beauty of that course is that I built it one time. It took me about 6 months to build, but it's completely done, and I can sell it over and over and over and over again. And I buy courses too. I bought a course on how to grow a YouTube channel, and I'm going through it right now. And that's a course that they built one time, and they've sold it probably thousands of times. Pretty neat. More on courses in our video on that. Number 6, start a membership site. A membership site is related to a course because it's content online, it's training content that you're offering for sale, but where a course is a fixed package that you sell as a whole, a membership site is an ongoing subscription. So people pay every single month to get content from you on a particular idea. Now you might be saying that's not passive, and you're right. You have to keep showing up every month with new information, with new content to keep people subscribed. But the element of that is passive is, again, the way we defined passive income in the first couple of videos in this playlist is that passive income is a fixed amount of work and then disproportionate results. If you're a membership site owner, you're doing the exact same amount of work if you have 10 members as if you have 100. You're doing the same type of content, you're doing the same amount if you have 10, if you have 100, if you have 1,000. So let's say that you have a membership site that's $30 a month per person and 10 people join. That's $300 a month coming in, not bad. But if 1,000 people join, that same amount of work is now gonna generate you $30,000 a month, if my math is correct. But the point is, it's a fixed amount of work and a disproportionate return, which is the definition of passive income, even though it's a little bit different. In our video on membership sites, I'll give you some really cool resources that you can check into if you're interested in building one of those. Number 7 is a blog or a niche website. You may not realize this, but anytime you search for a particular question on Google and you get a list of results from websites, those more than likely are niche websites. Let's say that you're into traveling and you say, what's the best RV to travel across the country? And you get a bunch of results. Well, those results are coming from websites, from people who have put a lot of work into trying to make sure that their website ranks when you search for that term. Because when you find the result that you want and you click on it and you read that article, that website is getting paid. They're getting paid because there's ads on the site, so when you visit it, they get paid because of the traffic. They might be able to sell you a product as you're looking at the list of RVs that they have. They might have partnerships with companies that sponsor their blog in order to display their product, another way that they're earning advertising revenue. And all of that is happening in the background, and you are just the end result. You're searching and finding what you're looking for. Well, you could be the blog creator where you create the blog that has the answers. When we go into our video on that, I'll tell you about a really cool resource and way of doing that I have found to be really helpful in my blog. So which one of those 7 ideas is the most exciting to you? Which one have you already pursued, and which one of those are you planning on doing? I want to hear from you in the comments what you think about these passive income ideas and whether you are planning on doing them or not.